The hiccups can be really embarrassing. They can be annoying and sometimes even painful.
Say hello to Hiccups.
The only scientific hiccup remedy.
Just take this and drink through it.
Wow, my hiccups are gone.
Amazing.
How does that work?
Hiccups are a repeated cycle of spasms in the diaphragm, and drinking through the Hiccups generates enough pressure that can stop those spasms in the diaphragm.
We've sold 21,000 units so far,
Wow.
which is $300,000 in sales since we launched.
Let me get the bidding going here because I'm sure you're going to have a lot of interested people. I'm not going to be one of them, so I wish you luck, but I'm out.